What is a many-to-many relationship? When you have both a one-to-many and a many-to-one relationship between two tables, this is called a many-to-many relationship. A popular way to express this between the book and the author table is that a book can have one or more authors and an author can have one or more books. Now, exactly how do we capture a many-to-many relationship given that we're confined to storing single values in columns? What if we created a table called book_author and it had the following columns: ID, book FK, and author FK? It's not complicated. The ID column is our handle on every given row in the table. Book FK is a foreign key to the book table, and author FK is the foreign key to the author table. Now let's retool the author table by dropping book FK. Since the book table doesn't have any author information, it would simply look like this. It would have an ID column and a title column. For example, ID 1, Dune, ID 2, Dune Messiah. And this would be the author table. An ID column and a name column. ID 6, name Frank Herbert. With all this information, we can now load the book author table like this: ID, book FK, author FK, 1, 1, 6, and 2, 2, 6. The first row links Dune to Frank Herbert, and the second row links Dune Messiah to the same author row. All in all, we can see two books, one author, and their linkage through the book author table. In this situation, two books, IDs 1 and 2, linked to one author, ID 6. What about the Spring Data book that we saw in prior videos? On the book table for ID and title, we would have 3 with Spring Data. In the author table with ID and name, we would have 1, Mark Polak, 2, Oliver Dropbaum, 3, Thomas Reesberg, 4, Jonathan Brisbane, and 5, Michael Hunger. The book author table with ID, book FK, and author FK would have 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 4, and 7, 3, 5. Now pause and look back at that if you need to. This shows one book, ID 3, linked to 5 authors, IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have a proper relationship between books and authors. We have multiple books and multiple authors, and we captured it in multiple tables.